Hi everyone, welcome to Quick Tips with Career Views. I'm Nancy. In this video today, I'm going to talk about smart hiring tips. Hiring tips can be broken into three phases: pre-interview, during interview, and post-interview. What you must do to make a right choice when hiring someone. First thing is, your job description has to be quite detailed. It should include all the responsibilities that you want the job holder to pursue. When you post a job advertisement, make sure you mention about the company goals and aspirations for sure. Do not miss to give about what your company stands for. Lastly, the job description that you're providing in the job advertisement should be engaging enough so that one reads it clearly till the end. Be very clear in your asking why you are hiring and what you exactly are looking for in a candidate. Do not miss to mention any skills, strengths, competencies that you are looking for in a potential candidate. Let me start with pre-screening. So before calling a candidate, make sure to understand what are your business needs and what kind of candidate you are looking forward to hire. Do your homework. Understand what kind of personality traits you are looking for. What would make a potential candidate good for the team? I would suggest sit with the reporting manager. Understand what exactly he or she is looking for rather than just relying on the job description. It would give you a clear idea and would help you to close a position faster. If you feel that the line manager and the job description has some disagreement at some point, make sure you clarify those points well in advance before starting sourcing, so that you don't lose time and energy and waste your efforts on finding somebody who is not a right fit. I'll tell you a simple exercise that I used to do while shortlisting candidates. When you post a job advertisement, of course, you're going to get a lot of CVs. Make sure you shortlist good 10 CVs at one time. Otherwise, you'll get lost in so many applications. The 10 shortlisted CVs, define 4 questions for all the candidates. See who answers those 4 questions in the best way. That is really a good approach to understand who is the most suitable candidate during the pre-screening call. During the pre-screening call, make sure you ask same questions to all the candidates. You'll clearly understand the difference in the caliber and the personality traits that suit your company. Now let's come to the interview call. When you make a pre-screening interview call, make sure you talk to the candidate by starting about the company. When you make your first pre-screening call, make sure you start by explaining about the company. The candidate has no idea that you are going to call and inquire. Don't make the pre-screening call look like an interrogation. Start by explaining about the company, what you are looking for, why you are hiring. Then ask about the candidate. What are his or her skills, what he or she is looking for, if they are open for a job opportunity or a particular salary being offered. This should be done within the first call. Don't leave the salary discussion for pre-interview time or during an email. The more clear you will be in your pre-screening call, the quality of your shortlisted pool of candidates will be better. During an interview, make sure you make all the candidates feel comfortable. They should feel welcomed for the interview. Interview schedule has to be conveyed properly. The exact time, interview panel, is it going to be an interview followed by any test? You have to be very clear to inform the candidates about that. Lastly, offer great perks. It could be flexible schedule, free food, it could be performance bonus, or anything that keeps your employee happy other than the salary. Post-interview, don't ghost the candidates. Keep them warm. because nothing could overcome a bad review. And the word of mouth spreads way faster than the forest fire. So I would highly encourage that when you are approaching any candidates, when you are trying to make a new hire, start creating an impression from day one. I hope you found this video useful. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do visit my website, which is www.careerviews.com. Check out the corporate consulting services that I offer. I would love to have your comments on your hiring experience or any questions that you may have for making your next new hire. If you're looking for more career inspiration, do not miss to subscribe my YouTube channel. We also have presence on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. Do follow these accounts. They have bucket loads of useful information for all the job seekers. Also, I would leave a link of our digital onboarding resources. I'm offering some of the digital tools to the corporate organizations who are looking to hire new employees and make them feel welcomed. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned to Career Views.